Your iPhone's glass effect just got a major upgrade. But is it enough? Apple's latest iOS 26.1 update quietly slipped in a feature that's been on many users' wish lists: the ability to tweak the transparency of its liquid glass design. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about turning the effect on or off. Instead, Apple has introduced a middle ground that lets you fine-tune how much of the background peeks through your menus, notifications, and tweaks, and widgets. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about making your iPhone easier to read in any light. But now Apple is giving you control, and it's a game changer. The new setting lives under Settings, Display Brightness, Liquid Glass, offering two distinct options: Clear and Tinted. Clear keeps the original translucent look, maintaining the full visual impact of liquid glass. Tinted, on the other hand, reduces transparency, giving your interface a slightly more solid appearance. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it's a practical one. By reducing the gloss, text and icons become easier to read, especially in bright sunlight. A live preview lets you see both options in real time, so you can choose the one that works best for you. But here's the controversial part. Is this update enough to satisfy everyone? While it addresses a common complaint about iOS 26's design, some users might still feel it doesn't go far enough. For instance, why not offer a sliding scale for transparency instead of just two options? And what about those who prefer a completely matte interface? Apple's approach is a step in the right direction, but it leaves room for debate. What do you think? Is this the customization you've been waiting for, or does Apple need to push further? To try this out, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26.1 or later. The update is available for all devices that support iOS 26, including the iPhone 13 series and newer models like the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 17. Once updated, dive into the settings and experiment with the new controls. It's a small change, but one that could make a big difference in how you use your iPhone every day. So, what's your take? Is Apple's new transparency control a win, or does it leave you wanting more? Let us know in the comments.